Hi guys! So in today's video I'm gonna show you how I do my eyelashes and eyebrows. And this video is dedicated to my lovely cousin. So Kim, watch closely. It's really easy and you're just gonna need a few things.
Need a Q-tip, an eyebrow pencil. Mine is from NYX with two sides. On the one side there's a sharp pencil, on the other side there's a spoolie brush, an eyelash curler, a good mascara, an eyebrow gel, and a cuticle stick to separate the lashes. So we're gonna start to brush through your hair with a little spoolie brush from the eyebrow pencil. And yes, then we're gonna outline the eyebrow first. So in short strokes, outline your eyebrow. So you're gonna start on the upper eyebrow where you have the last bit of hair. So yeah, it looks a bit fuller. And then you're gonna fill in the eyebrow. But be careful and not fill it in completely. Leave a little spare spot in the front of the eyebrow. That makes it look more natural in the end. Yes, so now you're gonna brush through again with the spoolie to make it look more natural and blend in the color a bit. And then we're gonna start to do the same thing on the other eye. So brush with the spoolie brush through your hair, outline the eyebrow, and fill the eyebrow in. Leave a little spot in the front, just like we did on the other eyebrow. Brush again through the hair to make it look more natural, and remove the parts that you outlined too far. You could do that with a Q-tip as well, using my hands. And then you can use your eyebrow gel to make the eyebrows stay in place the whole day. Onto the eyes. So you're gonna start with the eyelash curler. If you have very straight eyelashes like me, that's gonna make a huge difference. So just take care of the top of your lashes. So don't close your eyes too hard. Otherwise, the top of the lashes will get curled in the wrong direction. That will look very weird. So press release a few times, and that might take up to 30 seconds. Yes, makes a difference. And then you're gonna put on your first coat of mascara. It might take a while until all the lashes are coated evenly. It doesn't need to look perfect, but just make sure that they are separated enough for the second coat of mascara. So I'm always doing 2 coats of mascara. And yeah, same thing, just take care that the eyelashes are separated well. If it's not perfect, again, we're gonna fix it later with a cuticle stick. But for now, just take your time to make it look the way you like it. So I'm happy with the way it looks for now. And to separate the eyelashes even more, we're gonna use the cuticle stick. You could also use a needle or something else that is a pointy and sharp end, but just be careful to not hurt yourself. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. So curl your lashes, take care of the top of the eyelashes. Then you're gonna do 2 coats of mascara. Yes, take care of the top of your lashes. And then separate them with the cuticle stick. And then you're done. You can remove the mascara if you spilled a bit like me. You can just remove it with a Q-tip. You don't even have to press hard. If it's dry, it gets removed very easy. Okay, and that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and click this little circle here on the left if you want to get notified in the future whenever I'm posting a new video. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.